Okay, for this video, we're going to learn how to check our grades in Canvas. So first you'll want to pull up your web browser. We're just going to go to byu.instructure.com. And once you're there, you will click on the class that you need. And you can see that we're on the courses page, which takes us right to home. We're just going to want to go down to grades. And once you click there, you'll be able to see the grades that you already have. You can see here on mine, the first two assignments have been graded. And once you click on the little box right there, it shows you details of how you've done compared to the rest of the class. And you can see that information. You can also click here to test a score that you might get to see how that affects your overall grade. And up here, we'll show you your grade.